Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Maria Cristina Dayagita Asis from Abuyog Liti from Philippines. I am 36 years old. I have live-in partner. I have 3 kids, 2 girls and 1 boy. I am a domestic helper in Amman, Jordan since 2013 to 2016. I am serving 5 members. My duties responsibilities is take care a newborn baby. If the baby is still sleeping, I am cleaning, washing the clothes, ironing, cooking, and sometimes go to supermarket. My second employer in Amman, Jordan, since 2019 to 2022, I am serving 3 members. My duties responsibilities is take care of 2 elderly couple. If my madam is still sleeping, I am cooking, prepare the food every morning, and washing the clothes, ironing, cleaning, and sometimes I go to supermarket and also gardening. My third employer, I have experience here in Philippines. I am serving 3 member couple. My duties responsibilities is take care a newborn baby. If the baby is still sleeping, I prepare the food for my sir and madam also. And also cleaning, washing the clothes, ironing, and gardening. And I have experienced also my own baby. Mom and sir, hope to choose me as your helper in your house. I will do my best due to duties and responsibilities. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.